In this video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of selling digital products online. So first of all, what are digital products? Well, these are intangible goods sold online. I really kind of struggle trying to say intangible. And they come in various different formats, from online courses to ebooks to cheat sheets, presets to templates. The possibilities are endless, and you can sell them linked to your passion. Even if you made a couple of sales a month with a digital product, then that's extra money you didn't have in the first place, and you can treat yourself and buy yourself something. Now, when you create your first digital product or any digital product, you've got to find out first what really is your value. And what I mean about that is, what can you provide to other people which they're going to find helpful and valuable in some way? So I want you to think about your knowledge, your skills, what you're good at. For example, if you're an interior designer, you could create an ebook on design basics. If you're into gaming, you could do a cheat sheet ebook or walkthrough on a certain game. If you're into video editing, you could do an ebook on presets, effects, how you structure your videos. Fitness industry, personal trainer, online fitness coach, easy ideas, loads of ideas, nutrition books, workout guides, routines. Possibilities are endless. I hope you're getting the idea. Now, if you're worried about protecting your digital product, after all, you have invested your time, experience, and you don't want others to copy it, then I have put some solutions in the description below. And these will help offer you copyright protection for peace of mind. Because trust me, people can copy your content, and there's even plugins now and software where you can completely get somebody's PDF file and completely change your logo and images on it. Nightmare, right? When it comes to selling your digital product, this will all depend on your existing audience. If you're just starting, I really recommend you creating an email list, and this can be done for free. The reason why email list is such a good idea is because you actually own that audience, and social media platforms can change all the time. You get stressful thing. I was gonna swear then, but social media platforms change all the time. You don't know what's gonna happen. Sometimes algorithms and updates mess things up, so as views go down. But with your email list, you can always contact your contacts, and these people in your email list are like your super fans who are already interested in what you do, like really interested. And these people are more likely going to invest in you and your products and services. What you can do to get people onto your mailing list is just create like a really easy Leag Magnet. And this could just be a cheat sheet. This could be like a quiz. This could be a webinar. It could be like a video tutorial. And then what you do is you get them on your email list, build a bit of trust. And you can then just mention about your products and services. Or you can mention them straight off the bat with your welcome email. Welcome to my inner circle. Welcome to my tribe. P.S. By the way, if you want to check out my other resources that can help you, click the link. They click the link, you might get a sale straight away. You can market your product to them directly. Talk about it. Yes, you are entitled to talk about it. All right? And if you don't mention about your products or services, guess what, kiddo? No one's going to know about it. If you want to expand your audience, you've got to remember as well, even if not many people have watched your video you posted at the moment with this link about this digital product, then over time, your video is going to get more views, especially if the video subject is like an evergreen topic, something which will never get outdated and is popular and searchable. And the more views this is going to get, the more exposure your video is going to get, obviously, and more chances of people clicking the link about your digital product. You can also talk about your digital products on the stories feature on all social media platforms that have it. You can do it as a status update, like a text update if you're using something like LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, do it now as well. Choosing your platform where you're going to sell your digital products. You've got a few different choices here. Choosing the platform, a lot of people will say choose a platform like Etsy. Now, Etsy is a really good platform to sell digital products. Sometimes on Etsy though, there are a lot of issues with copyright. For example, I did a TikTok mastery book on Etsy and then it got taken down because I used TikTok, so I had to word it differently. which can be stressful for you if you're not very good at designing covers and editing things. Then you've also got platforms like Shopify. There's some other great websites you can use to sell your digital products for free, and they just take a slight commission. For example, you've got
ConvertKit
and you've got Gumroad. If you're struggling to make sales on Gumroad, there's a really cool feature or option where you can put in a tick box, right, where anybody can give you the amount they think it's worth. So you get anything instead of nothing, which I think is pretty cool. You could also go down the route as using Google Drive to give your digital products or host them. Then if you've got a bit of extra money to spare or more money, which you don't mind investing in, if you've got courses, you can use something like Teachable or Kajabi, which is really ultimate. These are really good for online courses. But having said that, even Gumroad, like I've just mentioned before, is now giving you the option to be able to host online courses, and they take a bit of slice of the pie, but help you a lot if you haven't got that sort of extra money to invest in these more expensive course providers. So creating and selling digital products is an exciting opportunity for anybody with knowledge and experience to share. Any of you can make something worth of value, which someone's going to buy from you. It's a journey that can lead to passive income for you and a fulfilling way for you to share your passion and experience with the world. Expertise. If you have any more questions regarding digital products, please do reach out to me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.